Hey guys, welcome back to a game of Explain 10. My name is Flight Simulators Rule Forever, and today we will be trying to successfully land a free but full flight in a Cessna 172 from Seattle Tacoma to one airport, which has 2 runways. I don't really know what it's called, so I'm just gonna call it the airfield for now. So we're gonna go. My engine working? Ugh, hate it when my map does this. Ugh. 34 left for takeoff. Okay. No! 34 right. Let's try. Oh, that's left. Right. Yeah. Am I silly or what? The only reason why I'm turning my heading in degrees off because my plane is turning like a beast. And we're on the roll.
Does it?
Yeah.
So look at that black.
No, I don't need to because, what's it called? Oh, I forgot. Rotate. And we're out of here. Okay, so since I know that this plane is going to be easy on me, I'll just go for it. Whoa! That was not my fault. Stupid radio. Like, dang. Okay, so I'm gonna, okay, so I'm gonna try and decrease speed a little bit because I'm heading near the airfield. I don't know what that's called. So KBFI. So I was kind of out of control of my plane a little bit. And just so you know, I will be landing. I'll be landing at the small runway because I need some room, not too much room, or else I could just drift off. I want to do crosswinds, but I'm not really that easy in crosswinds. Full flaps. I'm at just about 1,000 feet in descent. Or about, yeah. I think I'm on 500 feet or so. 300 feet too low. Like, I could do some go around videos if you want me to, Like, you could comment down below, and if you want me to do go around videos, I can do go around videos. Like, I'm a fan of doing go arounds and touch and goes and stuff like that. And maybe I'll start doing crashes. It's up to you guys if you want me to do crashes and go around and touch and go videos. Okay, so I'm at 100 feet, kind of low. Should I drop my speed? Yeah, I'm gonna try and drop my speed just a tad. Coming in a little too fast. Lucky I got full flaps. 150, 40, 30, 20, 10. Nah, kind of bouncy in the landing. I'm gonna try and taxi off at this one over here. So I'm gonna need a little effort on the brakes because it's kind of slow on the brakes. I better be careful in the rudder with the rudders. So I'm gonna try and do aileron control. Or try and low speed. Come at this big hangar. I'm in the Cessna 172 SP. Okay, flaps up. And the last but not least, engine number 1 failed, which is also known as to be turned off in the engine. My engine is just turned off. So that's the end of my video for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down below on what you guys think about my video, and ask for more things that you want from me in my gamings, which is prepare for impact, unmatched air traffic control, X-Plane 10 as you see right now, and extreme landings. And subscribe to me for more videos. Goodbye.